So can everyone see my window? Is my screen visible?
It's coming up. Yes, it is.
Okay. Okay. What we will do today is first uh, we will look into our project statement. So the project statement is that we have admin and we have a person who manages the theater or theater owner, and then we have the regular customers. Okay. So these are the three users of our app, and they have their three roles. So the job of the admin is to uh, keep keep the app running, see if there is any problem with the app or not, monitor the app. So first job is to monitor the app, monitoring. Uh, then the second is to approve new theater owners, approve new theater owners, and then we will move to the theater owner, theater, or we'll just call it theater. So the theater owner's job is to uh, create a theater and host movies. So create a theater and host movies, and then the customer can just book tickets. Customer can browse theaters and movies, theater and movies, and buy tickets. Buy tickets. So so now you can see that there is a relationship over here. That is the uh, admin and theater owner. They have a relation. That is a user who's a theater owner can only use the app 1 minute. Can only use the app if he or she gets approved by the admin. So that is one functionality. Second functionality is whatever the admin theater owner is whatever the whatever the theater owner is whenever the theater owner is creating his or her theater, he is trying to host movies, and those movies are accessible by the customer. So the customer wants to see what movies will access will open the app, browse the movies, and see which theater is showing the movies. So this is the problem statement. This is what our app is going to do. So we need to figure out where we are and where we should be moving to. So currently, if we look into it, one- okay, I think is there a save tool? Yeah. So currently we have a login and sign up page. So let it be. We have two pages. So just move it over here. Yeah. So this is our login page. Let it be sign up. Let this be sign up page. and a user can come to the sign up page and click. They can click on they can give their credentials, that's their username, password, email, and they can either become a user, a customer, or they can either sign up as a theater owner. So now we created different dashboards for uh, these two peop- uh, these two users. So we have different dashboards. So this is customer dashboard. This is theater dashboard. But here's a problem. Whenever customer signs up, he or she is directly able to access their dashboard, but the theater owner can only access over here. The theater owner can only access their dashboard if they get approved by the admin. So what happens is that when someone signs up as a theater, so let's change the color. So when someone signs up as a theater owner, they take a detour first. They take a detour first to the admin dashboard. So their credential goes to admin dashboard. The admin dashboard, the admin will see a list of new theater owners sending requests to approve them. So they will either approve them or not approve them depending upon what happens. So if they get approved, so let's just say this guy gets approved. This theater owner gets approved. They then can access their dashboard. So this is one functionality. This is one detour that we have to create for our app. And once the theater owner has created their dashboard, let's just say this is will go. Huh? Let's just
But admin also has that sign up part, right?
no, admin. You don't have to create a sign up part for admin unless it's mentioned in your document that there can be multiple admins. So just verify that. If there are multiple admins, then you create a sign up form for admin also. Otherwise, uh, you can create you can just create a customer and make him as an admin in the database.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, the customers will also give a review of the movie or whatever.
Yeah, you can create a review system, but if you there can be a lot of functionalities, but I'm just touching the main ones. Okay.
Okay, so actually it was mentioned in the problem statement that we got already of the
Yeah.
household thing.
Yeah, no problem. Just so I will just show you how to do this simple thing of how one among the three users can interact with or change or affect each other, and that will give you an idea how you can do the review system also.
Okay,
Okay.
okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Sir, this is the
Yeah.
problem statement you got from that IIT document, right?
Yeah. I had to document for last term.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Okay. So I just modified it so that it's similar to this term. So you can relate to your problem statement, right? So in
Okay.
your problem statement also, like there's a service provider who's providing multiple services, right? So just change. So over here, just change theater to service owner and movies and theaters to different services, and it becomes the same thing.
Okay.
So now next is what happened. Why is so next is let's say this is the admin dashboard, sorry, theater dashboard. So this is the theater dashboard. The theater dashboard. So in the theater dashboard, so the theater dashboard, they can create a new theater. Okay, no. So let's not go with the multiple theater route. Let's just go with one theater. So when they sign up, so we'll create a different sign up form for theater also theater. So so earlier we were using one sign up form, but now we will use two sign up forms. So there will be two sign up forms, one for customer, one for theater. So similarly over here, once the theater owner gets approved by the admin, they can access their dashboard. So they can access their dashboard over here, and in the dashboard they can create movies. So they can create movies, create or host or whatever that slash host movies. Okay. So they can click on. There might be a plus sign like this, new movie, and when they click on it, there's a form pops up. So this form has the title, poster, and other details like timing and also ticket number. I mean, number of tickets. How many tickets can this uh, 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 can this movie have? So tickets, and timing, poster, tickets. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You can also think of other things like movie ratings, genre. Uh, uh, there can be a lot of fields. We will just take few of them. So now once this theater owner, it's now once the theater owner uh, creates a movie, so like there will be a submit form button over here, submit button over here. Click it. This movie gets sent to the database, so it goes to the DB, and from the DB, the customer can access this information, the theater and the number of movies that it's showing. So this would be theater one, this would be theater two, and it will be movie. So they can pick which depending upon they can either filter through movie genre or theater, and they can pick. So this is the customer. So this is the customer dashboard. Okay. So this is how our app is going to look like. Uh, once you either sign up as a customer or a theater, then if you sign up as a customer, you have direct access to your customer dashboard. If you are a theater owner, then you have to take a detour. Your account has to take a detour to admin. Admin is going to first see if you are eligible for being approved in the app or not. So you can take a dummy form submission where the theater owner submits some information about themselves, more information like their GST number, uh, proof of having a theater or not, things like that. It's up to you if you want to do it. Otherwise, you can just give a proof of concept. So I will show you the proof of concept in this tutorial. So this is how it's going to be, and then the admin is gonna decide whether to approve this theater or not. Once it gets approved, the theater owner will have access to the theater dashboard. Okay, so once they're in the theater dashboard, they can create their theater. I mean, uh, they can create their movies for their theater and send it to the database. And from the database, then that would be collected by the app, by the backend, and shown to the customer dashboard. So this is the full flow of our app. So this is the full flow of our app, and we will be implementing only the theater this approval system today. So today we will only implement admin admin approval for the theater owners. Okay. So now the question comes is that if we make this kind of a setup, how is our database is going to like? How is our model.pi going to look like? So currently, if we look into our model.py, we have a users table. So we have a table name called as users, and it has an ID, it has a name, it has email, password, but, but more importantly, it has the user type. Okay. So depending upon this user type, we have to create some relational databases. So one relational database that we need to create that is specific for a particular user, that is the theaters. So the users who are theater will have their own separate table. So in that theater, they will have their theater ID. We will call it as ID as they will have their user ID. So this will be a foreign key. This would be a okay. Let me just not tell it to you right now. Not uh, user ID, which will be linked to this ID. Uh, this this two will be linked, and then it will have a theater name. So this will also have a theater name. Theater ID, theater name, and what else? Am I missing something? Let's see, theater ID, theater name. Yeah, status. And importantly, status. That is, it can be either uh, true or false. If it is false, that means by default it's going to be false. And if it is false, that means that this person has not been approved right now by the admin. I mean, if it's true, then they will get access. Okay. So now, now, in order to create this relationship, we need to create a table in between them. So there should be a table in between them, relationship table. So this is called a relationship table. Relationship table. So this relationship table is going to map the user ID to the theater ID. Okay, and this will create a link. So I can access, so from this table alone, looking into this table alone, I can access the user, there will be relationships created in theater and in user. And depending upon that, from theater table, we can access the information for that particular theater's user details, like what is their email, mm, what is their password, what is their name, and like this kind of stuff. And also from the user table also we can access the theater data also. So with the help of this relationship table. So this is what we today's agenda is, to create relationship databases. And So now we will move on to coding this. We'll move on to coding this entire database. We will create a new database today and work on it. So, so our main agenda is to implement this admin approval, and for doing so, we need to we need to store this information, the, this status information for each theater. Depending upon the status information, uh, the access to this database will be given. This this dashboard would be given. So that is that, and we will just